Hey y'all, this your girl Bree. Welcome back to my channel, Coco Chameleon. Today, get ready with me as I go to a masquerade ball later on today. As you see, I did my makeup. I use Hush Money Cosmetics products only. As far as my eyeshadow and for my lip. For my hair, I want to do a cute ponytail. I want to do something kinky but still cute. So I will be reviewing and also wearing my girl Emily's 100% human hair extensions. I will be wearing a cute ponytail later, as this is 18 inches in 1B. So come get ready with me as I do my hair, and stay tuned to see the end results. Here's a close-up of the packaging. I went with a 1B 18 inches, and yes, it's 100% human Remy hair. Let's open it up. Inside, it even comes with extra clips to secure the extensions, which is always a plus. Here's the hair straight out the pack. Now let me go ahead and cut off the netting and ties to get a closer look. As you can see, the texture is giving 4C kinky straight, which I'm loving already. The hair is super soft, thick, and blends well beautifully, especially for my natural hair girlies. Before I clipped them in, I made sure my base was set and knew exactly how I wanted to style it. We got two 8-inch and two 6-inch with 3 clips each, 2 4-inch clips, and 2 2-inch 1 clip. The set includes 9 clip-ins in total. All of them are double width for extra thickness. Installing the clips took less than a minute, which is super quick. I use the longer pieces with 8-inch and 6-inch for the main body, then filled in gaps with the 4-inch and 2-inch clips. After about 30-40 minutes of styling and adjusting, I had the ponytail laid. Pro tip: a braided piece of hair around the base to help hide the clips, since wrapping the extension hair alone wasn't quite enough. Honestly, I would grab a second pack just to get the super full glam effect. The hair can get tangled if you don't take the clips out properly. I end up using 7 clips total for this look, and here's the final look, and I'm feeling it. But overall, I'm giving it a solid 8 out of 10. Want to try it out yourself? Go check out my girl Emily's Amazon shop and grab your clip-ins today. Your next look is waiting. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.